Welcome to UGC NET CS and GATE CS students. So here I'll be discussing another important TOC concept, that is a derivation tree. What is a leftmost derivation? What is a rightmost derivation? Okay. We want to take input as any context-free grammar production rules. For example, S tends to X, Y, X, all are capital. Capital X tends to small a, and capital Y tends to B. And here A and B are terminal. All other symbol are non-terminal. And S is start symbol, that is also non-terminal. Okay, so what is leftmost derivation? In your production rule, if you have more than one non-terminal in right hand side of such a production rule, which non-terminal you want to replace by terminal first, on what order? If you are replacing from left to right, then it is called leftmost derivation. If you are replacing from right to left, then it is called rightmost derivation. Okay. So here I am going for rightmost derivation. S tends to X, Y, X, and this right hand side is nothing but handle. What handle I used in process of converting any star symbol into input string. Okay, I used X, Y, X. Now for this right hand side X, I used A with the help of this production rule X tends to A, and then I follow from right to left. For this capital Y, I replaced into B with help of this rule, and then finally for this X, I used X tends to A, so I got A, B, A. Okay, so if you are doing like this, then it is called rightmost derivation. How to achieve leftmost derivation? This is also very simple. First you want to replace non-terminal from left to right, then it is leftmost derivation. Here I done S tends to X, Y, X, and used handle. Then for this X, I replace with the small a first, then capital Y, X as it is there. Then further step, this capital Y is replaced into B, and after that this capital X replaced into A, and I am performed left to right. So it is leftmost derivation. What is derivation tree? So whatever derivation we are doing that represented in parse tree concept, then it is called derivation tree. Initially I generated S tends to capital X, capital Y, capital X, then this X into A, this Y into B, this X into A, like that I drawn, then it is called what is called derivation tree. Thank you for watching.